Hello, good morning and welcome to the channel again. Today I'm going to be having an unboxing video. Just something I've been after for a while, and it's just not worth messing about and trying to make this or adapt that for the price this thing was, which I'll come to in a minute. So this is a stove 5 from a company called Nuborn Limited up in Lancashire, and so far so good, in as much as I ordered this thing after numerous emails yesterday to and fro with a guy called Toby there, and he's agreed for me to name him on this video, and literally answered all my questions, put the purchase in at 11:15, and it was delivered this morning at 9:30. I don't think you can get much faster and efficient delivery than that. So thank you very much to Nuborn Limited. Really appreciate it. I've got to say, before I unbox it, I'm not sponsored by this company. This is a self-purchase, unlike the t-shirt. So here we go. I'm quite excited really, because I've been after one of these for ages. And again, I'm just like a child really. So here we go. I don't even know which way is up and down on it, so well, I think I'll put it on its side and then we'll see what's going on. Oh goodness. Very, so double boxed. So that means that they're taking care of the goodies inside. This is to go inside my teepee tent, which I'll do a separate video on how it's all gonna go into there. Instructions. Wow, good. It's not that heavy. Right, so it's got a carrying handle on the side. I like it already. Retaining pin into there, so leg. The retaining pin goes back. Got a retaining pin at the front, take it off the front, yeah. So, very well packaged, I must admit. I like it. I like it when people take care of these. So that goes out like this. Alright, so we've got a little cover for the chimney, and again you're seeing it as I'm seeing it. So all the chimney pieces, and we'll have a look at those in a minute and see what's... Oh, okay. Sparkle. So it's got a, so wherever that plate is, so it's got a plate here, and that's removable. Just put a pot on so you get direct flame. You can control the heat, I guess, a little bit better. It's got 3 lugs in, so it's able to be locked in. Okay. That seems big enough to put 2 pots on. I think this might be the ash pan that they were talking about. Oh, yeah. Which I think this is a little nice feature that when you open the door, any ash that doesn't just fall directly onto the floor, which I think will be quite good there. So it's got the ability to be pegged down, that's good. The chimney, so there was one with 2 lugs in. So inside here there's a little flap which allows me then to control the heat. We'll see how that works. A little bit. Right. So into there. So they sit all inside it that way. Righty-ho. Yep. And then each one of these, so if I so this stands at 1.9 meters off the floor, and I will have to get another section which I've discussed with them, and they're going to find that for me at some point and send me another section, or I'll sort something else out. But for my tent it needs to be a lot taller than this by another section. So just to put that into perspective there, and then the spark arrestor on the top. All right, so it's got retaining lugs at the back. It's got a rack for tools, or I guess just for putting tea towel on or your gloves or whatever, something to dry, which I think is a nice thing. Also it's got a carrying handle on the side which could double up as another rack, you know, to hang cooking utensils on or whatever. So thus far quite impressed. So I guess it only leaves for me to light it, doesn't it? Gotta light it. Okay, it's fire, I've gotta light it. So I'll be back to you in a second when I've lit it. Right then, so exciting now. By the fireplace, we're gonna be lighting. To be honest with you, I'm not messing about with birch bark and all that malarkey. There's the packaging. There's some fire lighters. I've just made a little nest out of the packaging that it came in, and why not? I'm gonna light at that. Got some dried sticks from the garden with the ash tree here, and we'll just see how it goes. doing pretty well. Some bits and pieces that are just knocking about, some of that kindling. Right, so I'm just going to close it down a little bit. So the door has got two notches in the back. So one is for to open up and give it ventilation. It's starting to smoke. The paint has to cure on these things, which hasn't taken long at all to get going. It's drawing really well. The spark arrestor, which I put at the top now, it's got 3 prongs. That's to hang a sleeve that goes through the teepee smoke opening. And it's important that this kind of curing happens outside. I would not recommend that you wait until you're burning this inside a tent or under a tarp or a canopy. The smell of this is quite rancid, really. So, and it's just a chemical burn at the end of the day. But we'll just keep it going for a short while now until that smoke disappears. So all this just raising off, and the platform's already you know, too hot to touch. And just in these few seconds, I have got a glove which is going to live with the fire. It's not even roaring away at the moment, but it's too hot to touch. So yeah, the handle isn't warm to touch, but I can feel from the body of the fire that if you did place a tea towel or your gloves or your socks or whatever on these rails, that they would indeed dry up and warm off. So thus far, you know, it's only been a few minutes. I'm quite pleased with the way it's drawing, and get rid of this chemical burn off, and I'll get back to you when I put my teepee up, and I'll put this inside there, and we'll do some temperature checks for you. It will be used in anger in October. I'm going to be working on an event, which more of that to follow. And so last year when I went, it was horrible, the weather. So with this in my tent, I think I'm gonna do fairly well. All right. Well, here we are. It's been going now for about a quarter of an hour. Brews are ready. We've had a water billy, one of them zebra billy cans on there for the time it's taken for it to burn off, and it's ready for a brew, the inaugural brew. Bit that you'll want to know about this is the price. So the price of this thing is $64.99 through eBay. Like I said, I will put a link up either below or above me. I don't know where it's going to end up yet, but there will be a link. It's working really well. It's quite warm here. It's not particularly a hot day today, but it's warm in this area, so it's lovely. All right. If you do like what you see, if you want to drop me a comment, that's fine. I'll do my best to answer you. I don't really know that much about the company, but I can find out for you. Toby, thank you very much for the rapid, the way this has been dealt. You know, there's not many companies that do that these days, so thank you. And all that's left now is the brew. So it's often been said I've got asbestos fingers, so you might want to use a glove, but there we go. Fantastic. There we go. Onto there. And biscuits too. Lovely. Very civilised. As always, thank you for tuning into my channel. If you like what you see, please like and subscribe. Click a like. It really does help. Bye bye for now. Bye bye.